So this is your extra in your box, and these are going to be little magnets, and I'm going to start by dismantling them on some tape. You have these little parts, and I'm going to start by painting the frame in the chocolate. The frame of the hat, the frame of the gloves, and the frame of the tree. Then I'm going to take Snow Owl, and I'm going to do the top layer of the snowflake. Every other portion of the tree, the bottom part of the mitts, and the rim of the hat. Then I'm going to go in with Higgins Lake on the cuff of the mittens, around the edge of my snowflake, and the middle portion of my hat, and then I'm going to do Republic Red on all the hearts, and then Dry Time on the opposite portions of the tree. I'm going to put one together. They're pretty easy. You're going to glue down the frame to the platform, and I just go ahead and put the glue inside the part, and you're going to basically put the puzzle together. The mitts are pretty easy, and the hearts go in that section. And then sometimes I go back and I do polka dots on different portions. I did this on the tree. I glued the snowflake together to its platform. That was pretty easy. I did do polka dots on the Dry Time portion of my tree. And then on the back side, I'm going to do one dot of glue and add my magnet. I did 2 magnets on my tree, 1 magnet on my snowflake. And you're just going to let the glue sit for a while before it dries. I did 2 on my hat. And 2 on my mittens. See you next month.